is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million, she helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for.
Hi guys, if you're new here and you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be unboxing my birthday gifts. Sit back, relax and enjoy. And here I have gift number 1. Excited to see what's in my box, guys. Came with a bag.
Honest and true, put this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped.
Here I have a cute Tory bird sandals, and I'm in love with the sandals, guys.
Fields in East Tennessee, timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I go to the sun and back for love. Oh.
Here I have the 5-in-1 curling iron 1 set.
Arms, because really my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world.
Hair curler sets.
Forever my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me.
Next I have the magnetic eyelash kits.
Put this for you, Daisy.
With several lashes and the eyeliner. My next gift is these $5, guys. Here I have the makeup travel case, makeup case with DIY adjustable divider cosmetic train bag. It's the perfect set which contains 14-piece makeup brushes, 3-piece makeup sponge, and the makeup brush cleanser.
To the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams.
These are the adjustable divider that you can use to section the bag, which make it much easier to travel with, guys. The bag also has some pockets, which is awesome.
My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure.
What's in my bag stays in my bag. Oh, yes, that's what I think it is. Yes, guys. And my card read: to someone who touches each life you enter, spreading joy to everyone you meet. May the love and happiness you share with others return to you tenfold. I wish you many more happiest of birthday. Happy birthday, girl.
Cause baby, our love is not your own.
Oh my god, I got a cute little slippers, guys. Now the sandals, guys. Box, guys, and I think it's another Tory bird sandals. And if you haven't figured by now, guys, I love sandals. Other Tory birds love sandals. And it's the Miller sandals. Can you all guess what is in this box, guys? I can't. Here I have a custom beauty set from Ashley Lee Cosmetics. It came with the makeup brush cleanser, a foundation, necklace, a cute little necklace, and eyeshadow palettes. It also has different color lipstick, guys.
Take a break from your favorite stilettos.
And another eyeshadow palette, guys. This looks beautiful, and it is a clutch palette. It has 88 shadows. This is beautiful. I am loving these colors, guys. Box, guys, I'm excited to see what is in this box. Oh my god! Ooh! Damn, this is cute! Oh! Thank you! Ooh, this is so cute! Thank you, girl! We hope you have a wonderful day. I did. Thank you! I love this! Oh my god, I love this!
Change, cause baby, our love is not your own.
Here we go with another box, guys. Steve Madden sandals. And my card reads: today marks one small milestone in the beautiful journey that is your life. May you continue to be blessed and follow your goals in ambition to success. Happy birthday, Kay. It's a bag, it's a bag, it's a bag, it's a bag, it's a bag.
All my pain moves us to be together. All
bag,
my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in love.
And it's a Louis Vuitton bag, guys.
Angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night.
Here I have a beautiful gift basket from Gifttree, and my card reads, may life's bright joys illuminate your path, and may each day's journey bring you closer to your dreams. Happy birthday, Courageous Kay! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, what good?
I know you walk with me. I hold to what we created.